Alright, in this video we're going to finish the leg dissection by doing the two calf muscles. First thing we have to do is release biceps femoris so we can have access. So on this bottom line here, so the tail would be right there, on the back end, I'm going to put my thumb under here. I'm going to take the round side and I'm going to run that over to the shin. Close it, just cutting that tendon. Then I'm going to go sharp side and I'm going to come right straight up to the kneecap. Just straight up. You can see I'm just kind of right there. And then you should be able to peel that with your thumb. And that's going to allow me to roll over biceps femoris and then get access to the calf muscles. Now, to do the whole dissection, though, there's still a tube of connective tissue right here that needs to be removed. So I'm just going to work this down. This would be a lot easier if I had the cat at a different angle. Don't work backwards like this. I'm just going to take this right down towards the ankle and the Achilles tendon. And this should just scissor right off. Let's see if I can peel it. Nope, that ain't going to work. So I'm going to take this right off the edge of the calf muscle here. There we go. Now I'm good. Gotcha. I'm just peeling that down towards the Achilles tendon, which is right here. So I'm just going to trim that off. And now I have this whole section open. And I can do the dissection now. That goes back under there. Okay. Now there's two muscles here. We got the big muscle right here, that's gastrocnemius. And then you can see just this one barely sticking out, that's soleus. So we want to do all of this from the front end, kind of the same thing as we were doing before. I'm just going to lift this up, and then I'm just going to separate these two from each other. This is all you have to do. You don't even have to go all the way through. I'm going to take my thumb, and that'll allow me to wrap around the back of the leg a little bit. So that's gastrocnemius here, right there. And then soleus, it's free on the bottom till it joins the tendon, and then it's going to be attached to the back of the tibia. So I'm just only going to separate it as much as I can until it starts to really hang up. So you can see right there is where it's attached. If I pull on that, you can see that's real white in there. So don't run too aggressively up into there. That's good enough right there. So I have three muscles here. Here's the gastrocnemius, soleus, and then this big muscle right here is tibialis anterior. You can uncover that if you want, but it's right there. Okay? That'll wrap up all of the muscular dissections. Get going.